Hello everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. So here we are again. 80% discount is going on in the bash, which is already started from 25th of July. Okay. So from 25th of July, your batch is already started. So if you have not enrolled yet now, so you can easily enroll because today 80% discount is going on and 1% more will be given to you if you enroll the batch through the mobile. Okay, so this is the coupon code, that is Y391, in which you can easily get the discount. Now, so we are doing the important MCQ, which is very important, okay, because whatever questions we are doing here, these questions are, from the examination point of view, these are very important. As you know that in your LRB, module A, B, C, D, 4 modules are there and all module is very important. So if you want to score a very good marks in your LRB, so from today itself you have to very focus in your study. Now, let's start with the legal word here. Okay, so this is the batch which is already started from 18th of July. This is the bilingual batch, okay, and the English medium batch is already started from today. Okay, now let's start with a one word. After that we will start the MCQ series. Now, what is civil case? If we talk about the FEMA Act, then we have learned that whatever the offenses that is mentioned in the FEMA, previously it was called as the criminal case, but now the criminal case name has been ceased. Now the FEMA offense is called as the civil case. So what is the basic difference between civil and criminal? Suppose X person is there and this is the Y person. Okay, X and Y is there. X want to file a case on Y person. So in that case, if the particular persons are there and if one person is filing a case on the another person, this is called the civil case. Okay, what I have told you, when one person file a case on another person, okay, so this is called the civil case. If I give you the one example, in the civil case, the basic purpose of judge is to give justice, but in the form of compensation and damages. Okay, compensation and the damages, these are the keywords, okay, in which the civil case, basically compensation means simply it is equal to damages. So in this party, suppose if Y person have breached any contract, so in that case X have a right to file the case and the court will give the justice in the form of compensation and damages. And if I talk about the criminal case, because in the criminal case the basically justice in the form of the punishment. So this is the key word of your criminal case and civil case. Okay, so hope so these terms is clear to all of you. So civil case means this versus this, and criminal case, if I talk about the party's name in the criminal case, so state of UP versus, suppose she is the NIKKITA Ma'am. So in the criminal case, the case is just like that one, and in the civil case, the case is just like X versus Y. Okay, so hope so this definition is clear to all of you. Now let's start with the question and answer series. Now the first question. In the case of indemnity, which type of liability exists? In the case of indemnity, which type of liability exists? So whether it is subsisting, continuous, contingent, and all of the above. So contingent, that is a main topic of your Indian Contract Act. In contract of indemnity, there are two parties. The first one is indemnifier and the second one is indemnity holder. The indemnifier is called as the promisor and indemnity holder is called as the promisee. So what will be the exact answer? So class, if I talk about this contract of indemnity, so in indemnity I have always given you the one example that all the insurance case that's come under the contract of indemnity, all the case of insurance. Okay, so suppose if you have purchased your car and if you insured the car, so insured the car, it simply means that you have something, you are paying the premium to the car insurance company, and the car insurance company is promising that if anything is happened to the car, we will pay you. So this is the basic, the definition of the term contract of indemnity. So that's why the contract of indemnity is contingent in nature. And what is contingent? So contingent topic is also in your Indian Contract Act. So contingent basically means that is a event when any contract is, when any contract is depend upon the event, and that event is the future uncertain event. So this is called your contingent. Okay, so that's why the contract of indemnity is called the contingent in nature. Okay, so hope so you understand, because in the Indian Contract Act we have to study about the contingent contract. Okay, so this is the contingent one. Okay, now let's do the second question. Under the Right to Information Act 2005, the period for providing the information is 5 days, 1 week, 21 days and 30 days. Dinesh Banking sir, 9 p.m. session is totally dedicated to the English medium students, and 7:30 p.m. that is totally the bilingual language. So if you want to attend, अगर आप अटेंड करना चाहते हैं बाइलिंगुअल लैंग्वेज में, तो 7:30 p.m. आप लोग का LRB चलता है, you can attend, but 9 p.m. is totally for the English medium student. Okay sir? Now, yes class, under RTI, what is the exact time period in which the public officer, or you can say the public authority, have to give the information? 5 days, 1 week, 21 days or 30 days? In the Adda 24/7 channel, the session always go on at English medium as well as the bilingual language. Okay sir? Exactly. So what is the exact answer under RTI? The period for providing the information, the exact one is class 30 days is the right answer. And in the same question, if I ask about, suppose if any information I have asked that is related to the life and liberty of the person. So if I say this life and liberty of the person, so the exact thing is within 48 hours the public authority have to give me the information. Okay, so this question is very important, because in the RTI, that is right to information. What information we can demand from the public authority, that act say. We cannot demand the information from the private authority, but from the public authority we have a right to demand the information. Okay, why this act has been made? The answer is very simple. If we are the sovereign people, we have a power to appoint the people, so that's why this happened. Okay, for the second one, D is the right answer. Exactly. Next, what is the relationship between bank and customer in case of the pledge? Beneficiary and trustee, trustee and beneficiary, creditor and debtor, or pawner and pawnee? Relationship between bank and customer, because in the Indian contract we have to study so much special principle of contract. So what is the relation between bank and customer in the case of pledge? I'm just giving you the one example. Suppose he is the customer, the bank. Okay, so the bank suppose give 10 lakh rupees as a loan to the customer, and the customer, this is the goods, security. Okay, so in that case the customer is giving good as a security, so this process is called the pledge. Okay, so the customer will be called as the, you can say, the pawner. It is also called pledger, and the bank will call as the pawnee. So I think the answer is very clear. For the third one, the exact answer is pawner and pawnee. The relationship between the bank and customer is important from the examination point of view. Okay, exactly. Good. Next question. The limitation period for filing a suit for foreclosure from the date money secured become due. So you have to tell me the exact limitation period for foreclosure. Foreclosure means to sell the property. Foreclosure from the date money secured. So that limitation will be start from the date when the money is you have to give. So whether it is 12 year, 20 year, 25 or 30 year. What is the exact answer? The limitation period for filing a suit for the foreclosure from Kumar sir. It's a foreclosure. Fourth one, in the when you will just see the paid batch now, in the paid batch I will show you in the limitation the particular chart. So you have to remember this chart, which is very important. So for the fourth one, the exact answer is suit for the foreclosure. The exact limitation is 30 years, sir. If I talk about the normal mortgage now, then the 12 year is the right answer. Otherwise, for this word, the 30 year is the exact limitation period. So D is the right answer. Okay, next. The power to look into the issue of capital reduction of a company vests with which of the following organization? What is this? The power to look into the issue of capital reduction of a company. So who have a authority to handle this issue? High Court appeal to Supreme Court. Supreme Court is there, National Company Law Tribunal is there, and the SEBI, that is the Security Exchange Board of India. So what is the exact answer? Fifth one. Yes, class. What is the exact answer? The power to look into the issue of capital reduction of the company. If any, why you say D1, Baba? SEBI. SEBI is basically, the authority that is a regulator of the stock exchange and the stock market. If anything that is related to the company, so where the matter will be go? Yes? For this one, the fifth one, it's a Shalendra sir. Why you people are, it's just you are accurate. Whatever answer you are giving, that is accurate or not. So for the fifth one, class, that is so simple. If we talk about the company, so the matter will be handled by the NCLT, no? That is the National Company Law Tribunal. And if still we are not satisfied with this one, so we have an option to NCLAT. This is the option. National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. Okay. So this is the right answer. Next question. Again, class, 81% discount is going on, and today your new English medium batch is already started, 25th of July. So if you want to get enrolled, you can easily use the coupon code, that is Y391, for the maximum discount up to the 81%. Okay, now next one. Within how many days, class, a consumer can file a complaint if he is not satisfied with the service? Whether it is 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. Sixth one, the limitation period in which the consumer have to file the case. First of all, the consumer will go to the shopkeeper. He will just he will just ask that whether you are providing me the exact service or not. Suppose if he is not providing the good services, if he is not satisfied with the customer services, so within how many days he have to file the case? Because if we file the case in the exceed of that days, na, the case will be not handled by the the case will be not handled by the consumer court. So for 6-1, the exact answer is B is the right answer, that is 30 days. Within 30 days he have to file the case. Okay, so for the 6-1, B is the right answer. Okay, so students who are new in this session, please focus from the day 1 in the paid batch. The second one is your YouTube session, whatever I am teaching you here, YouTube session. The third one is paid batch YouTube session, the mock paper that we are giving you in the paid batch. The fourth one is whatever you have make as a self notes. So these are the key to crack your exam in a single attempt. So if you want to crack, you have to pay very hard. You have to be focused on your this one. Okay. Now tell me class, which is not considered as the negotiable instrument? This is the act. Negotiable means transfer. Instrument means document. So whether it is bill of exchange, share certificate, check, and bill of exchange. Okay, this is the 2-1. Suppose D is promissory note. Now tell me. The question is very